The Start screen appears when you first start Dreamweaver or when you have no other documents open. You can find your recently opened files. You can find files that you have saved in your Creative Cloud Files folder. The Quick Start tab lets you click a file type to start a new document, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, etc. And there are built-in starter templates. The document toolbar lets you switch between live, design, code, and split views. And the common toolbar has tools for working with code and HTML elements. It is customizable. Dreamweaver has Live View, which lets you create and edit web pages visually in a browser-like environment. Design View, which is Dreamweaver's old WYSIWYG editor. Some tools are only available in Design View. In Code View, you can view the HTML and CSS code. And Split View lets you see Design View or Live View side by side with Code View. In Live View, you can choose Inspect Mode. That will let you put your mouse over an element and see the CSS and HTML associated with that element. The Window menu lists all the panels available. The ones with a check mark are open. If you can't find a panel, click it and it will rise to the top of the stack. To get more space or focus, you should minimize panels when you're not using them. Double-click the panel name to minimize. Single-click to expand. You can collapse and expand panel groups by clicking the double-headed arrow in the panel title bar. The Property Inspector lets you show and edit the properties of elements you select. It has two tabs, HTML and CSS. You may find it useful to dock the Property Inspector at the bottom of your interface. Drag it down until you see the blue line and let go. The Related Files interface enables you to see all the files linked to or referenced by the current document. Select the related file to see its contents. The Tag Selector interface displays the HTML tags and structure of what you have selected. Click a tag to select it. This is often the best way to select something on your page. The CSS Designer panel gives you central control of the CSS for your page. To use it, expand the panel until it takes up 2 columns. There are 4 windows: Sources, @Media, Selectors, and Properties. The heads-up displays, or HUDs, help when adding and editing elements in Live View. The Position Assist HUD lets you choose where an inserted element should go. The Element HUD lets you add classes, IDs, links, and basic formatting. The Image HUD opens a quick property inspector to add or edit image information. And the Text HUD lets you apply bold, italic, etc. to text.